So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing how you can build a report in the GA4 with your transaction ID and you can check the purchase into it. So without any further delay, let's get started. If you are new in this channel, let me introduce myself. This is Jobair Mahmud. I am a data-driven digital marketer and web analytics expert. This channel is all about the data, importance of data and web analytics, digital marketing, this kind of thing. If you are getting the value from this video, considering subscribe the channel. Thank you. So sorry for delay. I was busy at some work, so I couldn't be regular in the my YouTube channel. But I'm trying to be regular. In today's video will be very helpful for you. You know the Google Analytics 4. You can check the purchase. You can check the purchase through that report. Here you can see the monetization and the e-commerce purchase. You can check it, the purchase, how many purchase. But it is showing that, but you can check it through the another way, through the deeper level. So how many transaction ID? Like when we done the e-commerce tracking, we send the transaction ID into that tag, but you can build the report into it. So in this video, I'll show you that method. So lots of client has asked that how they can build that report. So that's why I created this video. You can show your client this kind of report. Your client will be very happy. So at first you can go the explore option, and here you can click the blank report. We're just creating the free from reporting, and after going we just rename that report name purchase by transaction ID. Purchase, we just place it there, and then you can check the dimension. You just click the dimension and search the transaction ID. And transaction ID, check it, click it, and transaction ID will be added. This is the GA4 dummy account. You can just build the report in there. There are lots of data is there. Sometimes our native store doesn't have some data to show, so it's a little bit easy method. You can use this dummy account and to build the report and do the practice, and your skill will be very updated. So that's why. Then we'll come up in the metric section. Metric section, we just search the purchase, purchase, purchase. This is purchase revenue. We just click the purchase revenue and purchase. Both are needed. Just edit it. We just edit it in the report, and then we just we just copy it and place it in the row section. After the row section, we just go the transaction ID into the row section, and then the value section, we just add the purchase revenue and the purchase and the purchase and the purchase. Make it simplify. Purchase should be the first. Just move it here. You can check it. We have created that report into the base of transaction ID. You can check it. The transaction ID, this $9,074 has purchased, and this purchase, this user has purchased $4,608 product. So you can just explore it, and you can show the column value, expand it, and after the expanding, you can check it. There are lots of data is coming in there. You can just expand it and make it shareable. Here you can click that report and to share option, and it will be shared with the client. And that's how you can create an amazing GA4 report with your transaction ID, and it will be very helpful for you. So if you want any kind of information in the GA4 reporting, web analytics, this channel will be very informative and helpful for you. So for getting more valuable video like this, please subscribe this channel and wait for next video. Thank you.